So Giovanni with Hardscape.com. We are in Henderson, Nevada, doing the first install of a 16 by 32 3cm. This happens to be a patio install. If it was on a driveway, the system would have been the same way. Over sand, as you can see, and permanent spacers, as we spoke before, are being used. The guys are opening 3 to 4 pallets at a time and blending in it very, very nice. So the design looks exactly how it's supposed to. And it's coming along really, really nice. We will be showing you progress when this is all installed, and the poly sand and the compaction and everything else. We'll be back. And we'll make this an educational video for all of you guys. Thank you, Giovanni, Hardscape.com.